Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the cable matters. This is a USB-C to 2.5 gigabyte internet adapter. So let's remove this from the box. You have some instructions in here as well if you need them. Very useful. And yeah, let's remove this. Actually, I was waiting to show you guys this, so I didn't open it on this occasion. And that's how it looks like. It looks like it has an LED indicator in there, and also the usual ones. And that's gold plated, so that's quite nice to see. I really like this cable. Hard plastic. Let's test it. So we'll take a laptop. I have a USB-C here. This one has a network card. Actually, let's just go ahead and disable that first. So let me just show you what I'm doing in here. So we'll just zoom in a bit. Let's just put that there. Okay. So let's go under our trusty network settings. And the way they've done it these days, I always find it a bit challenging to get into the location of the network. Let's see, advanced network settings, that's where it is in Windows 11. And then yeah, we want to disable this, the internet. Yeah, so now it's disabled. Now we don't have any LAN. So let me just go back into the normal mode, and let's plug this in. Yeah, so that's the adapter we plug in. And I have a short cable in here, your normal network cable. So I'll plug that in when it's in this position. It's not short, but it's just tangled. Okay, so let's plug it in, see if it gets any colors, anything flashing. Okay, that's a good indicator. Let's wait and see what's happening. Yep, so as you can see, let me turn off the light and zoom back in so you guys can see. Let's see if we can get that out of the way. Okay, so now what we have in here, so this is the one that we've disabled, and as you can see we have internet 7. That's how it came up, and it picks up that. Let's see what more information we have. It just says it's stable, link speed 1000 megabytes per second, but we just get 70. So you can also rename the adapter if you want. As you can see, it's just connected to LAN. Even though Wi-Fi is available, it is connected to the LAN. As you can see, this LAN symbol. If I disconnect this, that will go away and there will be no internet. Connects back to Wi-Fi. So let's plug that back in. See how long it takes. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. Very easy to use. It has a blue LED light indicator that is on, and then your normal RJ45 lights. So yeah, thank you for watching. This is the review of the Cable Matters USB-C to 2.5 gigabytes internet adapter.